live free, live free.
You can put a tray down there. I just use a couple pieces of old foil. We'll fill this pressure cooker up to where you see the line where it's usually filled. It's usually about 2 inches above the bottom of the jars. Here's one that's already made because I reuse them. See? It goes kind of on just like a lid. Press it in around the lip of it. Tuck it all in. Press on the top. Now, this one is ready to go into the pressure cooker. There you go. The jars are in the pressure cooker. The lid is on, secured tightly, as you can see. But leave this little lever open. It'll allow all the air to escape while the steam builds up. Once you see a bunch of steam start coming out of this, it'll start spraying out. You can go ahead and close it. And then you'll be waiting for your pressure to build up to 15 to 20 psi, and you will drop your heat all the way down. You'll have to find what adjustment works for you to keep it at the 15 to 20 psi, but mine's usually around the 2 to the 3 spot on this stove. Every stove is different. It's probably definitely different if you're using gas, using a flame. So this is an electric stove. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of steam coming out right here. While that's building up, I should also tell you, you are going to PC these at 15 to 20 psi for 45 minutes to an hour. That way you can decontaminate the jars and the substrate and be able to use it with your mycelium. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. It's about time. And bam. And as you see, your little nozzle there popped up, and you don't hear the hissing anymore because now the steam is building up, and you'll be able to see it on your gauge right there. All right, so as you can see, it's raised off of the 0. Once it gets that little slash right there, up to the 20, go ahead and drop your heat. I'm dropping mine down to about the 3. And so now, okay, so mine's up to 20 psi. That's as high as we want to go so we don't burst the jars. That's also why we put the micro pour tape on it, so it doesn't build up steam and then bust the jars. It can let the air escape out of it. So this is probably gonna raise 10. So it's at 30 right now, so it's 10 above. So to drop it back down to 20, if you could do this safely, grab it at the top. See that? It's gonna let the pressure drop by doing that. So I'm gonna get it back down to 20 psi. Make sure that it stabilizes right around the 20 psi. Once you do that, you can go ahead and set your timer. There you go, your timer is set. It hasn't raised or it hasn't dropped, so it's stabilized. I would check on it, I'd say every 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. But that's how you PC a substrate that later on you will mix with mycelium.
Well then, ain't nobody answer when I call. Well then, can't nobody catch me when I fall. Till then, my dreams are like the ocean and I'm just feeling. Been on so different cause I still healed in. Ain't nobody answer when I call. Well then, can't nobody catch me when I fall. Till then, my dreams are like the ocean and I'm just feeling. But knowing I'm so different cause I still help them. But knowing I'm so different and I still wild and still tight. Never speak fit, don't feel right midnight. Get the water by myself, I gotta get high. Never need your help again, I'm gonna get by. Never need the kind of venom on the flip side. Sit tight, jumping out the window on the shit side. So the when I'm sending, I'm ready for the big fight. Someone gonna get you when I switch it up and get hype. Hey, nice, sit tight. More than wanna jump in, never life and kill my. I just bust in the motion, I keep on rolling and smoking. Keep on busting, I'm open and then I wear out the waters. I keep on puffing and puffing and puffing away. Loving the way that it's spreading when I'm fully engaged. I wanna feel the love, I wanna kill the hate. I wanna kill the drugs, I wanna just escape. Well then, ain't nobody answer when I call. Well then, can't nobody catch me when I fall. Till then, my dreams are like the ocean and I'm just feeling. Been on so different cause I still healed in. Ain't nobody answer when I call. Well then, can't nobody catch me when I fall. Till then, my dreams are like the ocean and I'm just feeling. But knowing I'm so different cause I still help them. Let them different, gotta while I'm with the mission. From the bottom to the top, I gotta guard that position. Gotta watch it when it's spitting. The vengeance becoming living. It's twisted where to get the whipping. I stick it then I flip it. Gotta get it on my own. I'ma hit my foot to finish. Speak my life into existence. The head into that. The wind to myself away the grave. To watch the way I'm hitting. Observation of the energy. I watch away shit. Contemplating on a mission. Staying heavy with a vision. I get it on natural the way I gotta live it. Decision. I break it down and hit it with the vision. Rock it to your face. Never stop at the collision. Incision. I want it through your veins like intuition. Construction. I'm grinding time to start the demolition. Seduction. She love the way I hold her when we kiss it. I love it. This life cause every day's a new beginning. Well then, ain't nobody answer when I call. Well then, can't nobody catch me when I fall. Till then, my dreams are like the ocean and I'm just feeling. But knowing I'm so different cause I still healed in. Ain't nobody answer when I call. Well then, can't nobody catch me when I fall. Till then, my dreams are like the ocean and I'm just feeling. But knowing I'm so different cause I still healed in.